Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. I'm excited. We have the Hyper Cobalt dunks in the studio today, and I will be giving y'all a full breakdown and review. And a lot of people still haven't got the shoe yet because Nike sneakers has been having like some crazy weather delays and even been canceling orders. If y'all have not seen the video I made, they did cancel my order on the Air Jordan 1 Neutral High 85. If you have not seen that video, like I said, I will link it down below, but make sure you go watch that video. Thanks for everybody who watched and came from that video because a lot of y'all had similar situations. You know, it was kind of cool to know that I wasn't the only person, but then I was like, man, that kind of sucks happening to other people. This pair was actually not from the Nike SNKRS app here in Atlanta. You know, everybody know. A few sizes were sold locally, so this is like a local size that my girlfriend actually picked up. So I wanted to review this shoe and just give y'all, you know, an overall look because I want to ask y'all, is the dunk really, is it dying, bro? It might be too early to ask, and if you watch my channel, you know the dunk is one of my favorite shoes, if not my favorite sneaker. But they really coming out with so many colorways of the dunks, and they really just like kind of ODing it right now, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. I want to hear from you guys more than me, but I'm just like, it's the same thing they did with every other shoe. Once they kind of caught a wave, they started doing like maybe 4 or 5 colorways a month to the point where it just gets like, okay, whatever. And right now, I think this dunk is being resold for like $200, which is very low. Like very low. We get to that a little bit later in the video. Let me show the sneaker and let's talk about the Nike Dunk Low Hyper Cobalt. Here we have it, man. Y'all already know, regular standard Nike box. Nothing fancy, nothing different when it comes to this. This is what the Nike dunks come in, you know what I'm saying? Unless it's like, got that special packaging. Like my SB Street Hawkers came in, but that's like that special SB package you get, but for the dunks, it's usually standard, regular Nike box. As we open these up, woo, blam, the Nike Dunk Low Hyper Cobalt. Now, as y'all can see, this shoe is kind of small, bro. This is a women's size 8, I believe, or maybe it's a men's size 8, not sure. Like I said, this is my girl's pair. She was actually able to hit at the Nike store down in Atlanta. So we got a huge Nike store in Atlantic Mall. She was actually able to pick these up, and I hit for a pair on the Nike SNKRS app. But like I said, the way these shoes was coming in, bro, I'll probably have that review for y'all probably next month, something like that. So I just wanted to kind of get this video in very quickly. One thing I can say about the dunks though, especially dunks like this, y'all see that white outer sole, or the white midsole, I'm sorry, the white midsole on these dunks, they get dirty pretty fast. And one thing you have to have on you, you know what I'm saying, when you're wearing any sneakers, especially the ones you want to keep clean, is the Rejuvenator sneaker wipes. As you can see in my hand, very portable, you know what I'm saying, don't take up a lot of space, but even if you don't want to take the whole box, literally just open these things up, and you can take just a few. So you can have some of these in your pocket, some of these in the car. Me, I always travel with a backpack. That's one thing about me. Whether it's sneaker con, whether if it's the gym, or even if I'm just headed over a homie's house, I'll always have a backpack. I have not graduated to like the little satchel or like the little man purses or like the Supreme little shoulder bags. I haven't graduated to that yet, but I do think, you know, I might have to, bro, because I hate my pants pockets looking all bulky. You don't want car keys sticking out, maybe a hairbrush and your cell phone and your wallet and whatever else you got. So I know those becoming clutch, I just haven't graduated to it yet. But if you're one of those people, you can also have some Rejuvenator wipes in there too. It's just really a very convenient way to clean your shoes on the go. You know what I'm saying? I know it'll be times when you might step in some mud, you like, dang, I gotta clean these when you get home. But what about the rest of the day? You're literally just gonna be dirty for the rest of the day when you're out with your friends until you literally get home. So this is my solution for that. You know, you can actually clean them on the go. And like I said, these don't cost that much. You know what I'm saying? These are pretty much cost efficient if you ask me. Like I said, you can just carry them on the go. and handle what you want to handle. The link to the Rejuvenator is down below. I'm pretty sure you'll all know what Rejuvenator is. I've been jocking them for a while now because it's the only cleaning solution that I use or I trust in my shoes. So check them out. The link down below. Like I said, it should not cost a lot at all, and I think it's worth it at the end of the day. We got the Nike Dunk Low Hyper Cobalt, and the reason why I wanted this shoe, it released with 3 other shoes. It released with the Nike Dunk Low Medium Gray, and then it released with the Nike Dunk Coast. And the reason why I wanted this one out of the 3, well, the Coast probably had the better colorway, but it was a women's exclusive, so I couldn't get that shoe. Varsity Royal colorway that looked like an Air Jordan 1, you know what I'm saying? I don't have that. I had the Air Jordan 1 Varsity Royals, and I actually showed them. This is like back in like what, 2015, 2016 when they came out, so it was somewhere around there. I don't have those no more, and I really would have liked something along that colorway in this shoe, so I was happy when I was able to get these. Now, I've said this previously in a lot of videos. For me, the Nike Dunks is my Jordan 1. A lot of people wear Jordan 1s for comfortability, a lot of people wear Jordan 1s for mobility, and a lot of people wear Jordan 1s because they look good after they beat up and run down. That's pretty much how the Nike Dunk became my favorite shoe, is because I found myself putting that shoe on in all scenarios, wearing them, being comfortable, not caring if they look ugly, beat up, brand new. Of course, I got a little bit of hype to it, right? So you still add some shock factor, and you still got some clean feet if you stepping out. So everything just made sense to me. But like I said, this was a smooth pickup. If you did not pick these up, like I said, they're only going for about $200. The only ones I think that's going for a little bit more is that Coast release. It was the best one too. So this one in the medium gray doesn't go for too much. So like I said, you can get your hands on them if you want. So let's check out the outer sole on these. The outer sole is all blue, the regular Nike Dunk Low outer sole. Moving up to the midsole, we get this white midsole going around the sides, which I told y'all, very common that these get dirty. That's why, you know, a lot of people that, you know, especially Jordan brand, when they do like Jordan 1s and stuff like that, they try to go with that off-white midsole. That off-white midsole kind of helps you keep it cleaner a little bit more. It's not that crispy white, but you know, we got all white on this midsole. On the uppers, on the side panel, we get black with the blue Nike swoosh going across it. Around the toe box, we get blue around the toe cap, and of course we get black right there on the toe box. We got blue laces on these joints, and I don't believe they came with any spare laces, if you ask me. Nope, don't see no spare laces, so blue is all you got. Of course, got that Nike right there on the back of the sneaker, and also has Nike right there on the tongue as well. One more Nike sign in the bottom of the insole. So quick story, yesterday I went downtown to the Atlanta Beltline. And if you don't know where the Atlanta Beltline is, it's either you don't live in Atlanta or you really don't get out that much. I, for one, don't get out that much, but I decided to go out there. It was a good day yesterday. It was like 70 degrees. And I seen a lot of kids skateboarding. I never really paid attention like skateboard fashion. So when I seen the people skateboarding, I really just sat back and saw what they was wearing. And they was wearing these Dunks, bro. They was wearing SBs. They was wearing Vans. They was wearing DCs. And I'm like, wow, you know, skateboarding really has kind of sculptured the sneaker game just as much as anything else. You know, here goes a Nike Dunk where they stopped making these when they first started putting them out because nobody was really rocking with them like that. And then they came out with the SBs to be like that skateboarder shoe, and it kind of revamped. And if it wasn't for that, you know, who knows where the Dunk would be? I don't know. It was just like a nerdy sneakerhead moment. Just thinking about, you know, this is your favorite shoe. Imagine if skateboarding wasn't around. Would they even be still releasing these, or would they would have put it on the shelf? Because at one time they did put the Nike Dunk on the shelf because it wasn't selling. Cool to talk about, but these are the Nike Dunk Hyper Cobalt. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Worth buying, worth passing, $200. Also want to know, is the Nike Dunk dying or is it already dead? You know, I don't want to answer that question right now. I think it's a little bit premature. Maybe some of y'all know the vibes and y'all can put your boy Snipe on. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. The road to 100K. The plaque year is still here. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are linked down below. And I will catch y'all in the next one. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.